वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज जो है चैप्टर हम 5 पढ़ेंगे। चैप्टर का नाम है इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस। तो आपको पता है कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस क्या होता है। इंट्रोडक्शन आज हम इसका करेंगे। तो ओवरव्यू लेते हैं पहले। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर एंड पावरफुल DBMS। ये जो है डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है, ठीक है। सबसे पॉपुलर और सबसे अच्छा जो है यही है। इट हैज़ मैनी बिल्ट अ फीचर एंड असिस्ट यू इन कंस्ट्रक्टिंग डेटाबेस एंड व्यूइंग इंफॉर्मेशन। MS Access is much more involved and it is more genius DBMS than other programs such as Microsoft Works. Microsoft Access is a relational database management system that you can use to store and manipulate a large amount of information. It is easy to understand and its graphical interface help to create queries, forms and reports. In other words, even inexpressed programmer can be accessed in turn a stack of invoice, a card file and customer name, a ledger and its investor list into a relational database that makes entering updating the reporting information is easy to clicking a button. MS Access offer more than just pretty interface for learning how to manage data. You will find following benefits and more from your accessing simple database. It includes simple database application to assist you to learn about real world data, table, form, queries and reports and how they are interconnected to form a database management system. ये है जी wizard. To make a very easy to create a database, you can choose from several example of database in the database wizard for such storage uses and contact information, inventory control, a ledger and so on. You can create that modify the database to meet our own need. Keys to understand the structure. After you have decided how to create and read table, you can easily view all the relationship in the database with the graphical interface in the relationship window. This make one of the toughest part of relational database design much easier and more manageable. Microsoft Office integration. You can access with Word, Excel and other Office application to create mail, merge, chart and other helps use for the data. Easier program. You can relative simple code with makers and automatic repeated task, or you can try more complex and flexible code. With VBA, Access provide graphical shortcut and hints to help writing easier code. Common standard. It uses standards that help applications scale up to work within large environment. Access uses object and SQL structure query language to make its code for the adaptable to each application. Redundancy. MS Access allows to the store, retrieve, sort, analysis and print information contained in the database. Data may be manipulated with that data redundancy by defining relationship between sets of data. Databases are often used for product data. Redundancy means duplication of data is manipulated file. It was the storage media of computer. Creating new database. Once access has been accessed, choose the file new database command from the menu at the top of the screen in the order to create a new database. The database window is displayed. Choose a portion directly and drive. Then enter a 8-character name from the new database file. Click OK. When you are start MS Access, you can a dialog box asking if you want to open an existing database or creating a new one. Create a new database. Create a new database design wizard. Open existing data file. So creating a database using a database wizard. In database wizard guide you through process of creating database include choosing database template, selecting file, making customize, adding picture and database. When Microsoft Access first startup, a dialog box is displayed and option to create a new database or to open an existing one. When this dialog box appears, select Access database wizard pages and project and then one click OK. Microsoft Access startup when you click the new database on the toolbar. On the database tab, double tap the icon for the kind of database. If you want to create, specify the name and location for the database. Click create a start defining the new database. Creating a database without using the database wizard If you want to use the database wizard, if you create a database